We're all searching for answers to climate change. And when we think green energy, images of solar panels and wind farms often come to mind. But what if there was another powerful, consistent source that could hold the key to our sustainable future? Today, we're asking, is nuclear power the real green energy? The renewable energy revolution is in full swing, and for good reason. Solar and wind power are celebrated for their zero emission operation, tapping into the endless energy of the sun and wind. Reports like the IRENA's Future of Solar PV highlight their rapidly decreasing costs and increasing efficiency, making them incredibly attractive. The narrative is pretty clear: clean, abundant, and accessible. However, as many white papers from institutions like the National Renewable Energy Laboratory point out, renewables face significant hurdles. The most prominent is intermittency. The sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. This variability requires massive battery storage solutions, which are still costly and have their own environmental footprint. Then there's land use. Large-scale solar and wind projects, while clean, can require substantial acreage. A study published in Nature Energy noted that the land footprint of renewables can be a significant consideration, especially in densely populated areas, leading to potential ecological impacts during construction and operation. This is where the nuclear power re-enters our conversation. For decades, nuclear has been a quiet giant, often misunderstood. From a climate perspective, its credentials are compelling. Nuclear power plants produce virtually no greenhouse gas emissions during operation. Unlike solar or wind, they offer consistent baseload power 24/7 regardless of weather conditions. A white paper by the Breakthrough Institute named The Case for Nuclear Energy emphasizes this stability, stating that nuclear is the most reliable clean energy source available. It boasts an incredibly high capacity factor, often exceeding 90% compared to around 20 to 50% for most renewables. This means for every unit of capacity, it generates far more actual electricity. But nuclear power comes with its own deeply embedded challenges, ones that have shaped public perception for decades. The specter of accidents like Chernobyl and Fukushima looms large. While modern reactor designs have vastly improved safety protocols, with extensive redundant systems and passive safety features, the consequences of a major failure, however unlikely, remain catastrophic.
Then there's the question of radioactive waste. While the volume of spent nuclear fuel is relatively small compared to the waste from fossil fuels, it remains radioactive for thousands of years. The search for permanent geological repositories like the Yucca Mountain in the US, has been fraught with political and logistical difficulties, making long-term storage a persistent environmental and societal concern, as detailed in the report from the IAEA. Beyond safety, the economics and timelines are significant. Nuclear power plants are incredibly expensive to build, often running into tens of billions of dollars, and they take a decade or more to construct. This capital intensity and a long lead time make them difficult to finance and deploy quickly, especially when compared to the faster modular deployment of renewables. A 2020 MIT study on the future of nuclear energy highlighted these cost and construction challenges as major barriers to the widespread adoption. So, is there a clear win? Many experts argue that this isn't an either-or scenario, but rather a both-and. The Carbon Free Energy Systems White Paper from the Energy Information Administration suggests that a truly resilient and green energy grid of the future will likely incorporate a diverse portfolio. Renewables, with their plummeting costs and rapid deployment, can provide a significant portion of our energy. But nuclear power, with its consistent carbon-free baseload, could be the crucial part, providing stability and reliability when the sun sets or the wind dies down, reducing our reliance on fossil fuel backups and making a truly 100% clean grid achievable. The question, is nuclear power the real green energy, doesn't have a simple yes or no. It is undeniably clean in its operation, offering immense power without emissions. But its challenges, safety, waste, and cost are real. As we race against the clock of climate change, perhaps the most green approach is the one that strategically combines the strength of all carbon-free sources, forging a path towards a truly sustainable and secure energy future.